Binu's birthday. Time management. Today is Wednesday. Binu Monkey's birthday is on next Friday, exactly on the 9th day from today. All the animals in the jungle are invited. Binu has invited his relatives from the other jungle too. Binu is going to the hostel. It will be many years before he would be back home. That is why he has planned a grand party. It is going to be a special one. Binu has ordered a huge cake. There would be a magic show, DJ, games and songs. He is purchasing special return gifts too. There is a special gift for the best dressed guest. All the animals are very excited. They are counting the days. Everyone is busy arranging their dress. Each one wants to be the best. Kitu Fox is very busy stitching new dresses for everyone. She is the only tailor in the jungle. She knows how excited the animals are. She does not want anyone to be upset at the last moment. So, she has planned her work very carefully. On Thursday, she will deliver Montu Elephant's hooded shirt. It is of such a huge size. Kitu has been stitching it for the last 3 days. Friday, she will complete the dresses of Minky Deer and Sammy Ostrich. Pecky Peacock wants lots of mirrors fixed on his stole. His dress would take the whole of Saturday. Mickey Squirrel, Tinku Zebra and Winty Crab would get their stuff by Sunday onwards. Kitu has made a timetable for herself. It is hanging right in front of a sewing machine. All her work will be complete a day before the party. Some animals are purchasing clothes from the market. Everyone is busy except Chinu, the younger brother of Binu. When Binu asked Chinu about his plans, Chinu laughed it away. "Oh, there are so many days to go. Why to worry today? It is Wednesday again." Binu has completed most of the jobs that were on his to-do list. So far, Kitu has delivered all the dresses exactly as she had planned. There have been no delays. All the animals know she is responsible. They trust her. Everyone is eagerly waiting for Friday. That evening, Binu again asked Chinu, "Chinu, I hope you are prepared for the party." "Oh, brother, what's the big rush?" said Chinu in a casual tone. "All I need to do is to buy a new shirt and get a haircut. The party is day after tomorrow. Still there is plenty of time." "Chinu, we must learn to plan ahead of time. Leaving things for the last moment is not a good idea." Binu tried to make him understand the value of time. "So many times you have been in trouble because you wait for the last day to get things done." No, this time it's not the last day. I will go to the market tomorrow," Chinu said with a bright smile. "Tomorrow? But tomorrow is Thursday and the market has its weekly off," exclaimed Binu. "Oh, I did not think of it. That leaves me only with Friday morning." Chinu sounded a little worried. "But that's fine. I don't think it would be a problem. I don't have much work," he tried to assure himself. "Why don't you check your cupboard? Maybe you find something good enough," suggested Binu. Chinu, however, does not pay much heed to the suggestion. And finally, it's Friday. It's Friday morning. Binu's party begins at 5 in the evening, but everyone is already in the party mood. Most of them have preferred to stay indoors as they don't want to get tired in the sun. Kitu has finished all her work and decides to give herself some rest during the day. While everyone is comfortably settled, Chinu is out on the streets. The sun is shining brightly. It is not at all pleasant to be out, but he does not have an option. He searches several shops and finally chooses a shirt. But it is not fitting him well. The shopkeeper says he can have his size in a day or two, but Chinu needs it today. It's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Poor Chinu finally picks the oversized shirt. He decides to use one of his old trousers. He is waiting at the barber's shop. It will take at least 1 more hour for him to reach home. By the time Chinu reaches home, he is completely exhausted. He had been out the whole day. The afternoon sun had surely not been good to him. He throws himself on the bed. Soon he is fast asleep. Suddenly he wakes up with a start. Binu is waking him. "Chinu, everyone is enjoying the party and you, my brother, are asleep?" He sounds disappointed. Chinu rubs his eyes and looks at the clock. It's 7 o'clock. "Oh, I was so tired, I did not realize," Chinu mumbled. "Okay, be quick now. I am going to cut the cake," says Binu and leaves in a hurry. Chinu somehow gets up. He is still feeling very tired. He struggles to find a matching trouser. It is not even ironed properly. But there is no one around to help him. He runs in and out of the shower and quickly puts on his clothes. As he catches a glimpse of himself in the mirror, he feels ashamed. "I am looking so shabby," he says to himself. Binu was right. We should not keep things for the last moment. It is his brother's birthday. He cannot stay away. But he is surely not happy with himself. Chinu remains upset throughout the party. He is too tired to dance or enjoy the DJ. He is quite unwell to eat. While all the other animals have a gala time and enjoy the games, music and dance. They chat merrily in the best of their outfits. Chinu sits aloof in a corner. He is just not willing to do anything. Children, it is not that clothes are the most important thing, or that Chinu was not able to enjoy the party. It is about not taking action well in time. It is about being able to bring out the best of what you can.